Welcome SATS geniuses to question number 32, and this one is subtracting a fraction from a mixed number, and the mixed number is this 2.5 here. So let's just write it out again so we can see what we're doing. So we've got 2.5 take away 3/4. Now I normally write it as a column method like that. Now we've basically got fractions with different denominators here, so we need to have a common denominator. So we need to change halves into quarters. Now there's an easy way of doing that. If you just double the 2, you would get 4, and then you would double the 1 to get 2. And now we've got 2/4. So we've basically changed 1/2 into an equivalent fraction of 2/4. Now we no longer really need the half now, so I'm going to rub that out and replace it with the 2/4 that we've just made, and that's an equivalent fraction, so I am allowed to do that. So 1/2 is equivalent to 2/4. So we've now got 2 2/4 take away 3/4. Well, let's see what happens here. 2/4 take away 3/4, 2 take away 3 you can't do, so you borrow from next door, borrow from the 2, that becomes 1. Now the 1 that you've borrowed, we're dealing with quarters. This is where it's a little bit different from normal column method subtraction. The 1 whole 1 we've just borrowed is worth 4/4. So although we are transferring a whole 1 into the fraction column, that means we're also transferring 4/4. So this 2/4 here is having 4/4 on top of it. So 2/4 add 4/4 is basically 6/4. So you can replace the 2/4 with 6/4. And now you've got a bigger number on top, you can carry on. So 6/4 take away 3/4 is 3/4, because 6 take away 3 is 3, and we're dealing with quarters, so it's 3/4. And then 1 whole 1 that we've got left, take away no whole 1s that are here, 1 take away 0 is 1. So our final answer is 1 3/4.